Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, we will be working with the lovely Alipearl hair. Alipearl decided to send me over this gorgeous deep wave wig. It is in 24 inches, 180 density, and it is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. As you guys can tell, we are nice and melted in. Thanks to me, of course, because in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install. This wig was super duper easy to install, and I'm gonna show you guys in the clips coming up. Before I go, don't forget to check the description box if you would like to purchase this lovely wig from Alipearl, and let's jump into today's tutorial if you'd like to see how to get your hair looking just like mine.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Stallion, it ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50 love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50 other way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Yeah, you flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Help me work my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any night, to the work my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm elated that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, to the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, to the work my way.
Okay mamas, so I'm finally done and this is the finished product. This wig is from Alipearl and they decided to send me this gorgeous deep wave unit. It is in 24 inches and 180 density. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal unit. So as you guys can tell, the lace is really nice and melted in. I loved working with this hair because it was so easy to install. Everything about this wig was just super easy to work with, from the customization to the baby hairs to the whole install altogether. Perfection. I think this may be my quickest install ever because that's how easy it was to install this wig, pretty much. I did attach a band to it so it could be 100% glueless, and then I did the Evans spray, and boy, that kept this wig in place. I was fighting to cut the lace off. You guys saw that in the video, but so said, so done. We did it, and here is the end result. The hair is really nice and soft. It was so easy to detangle, and the curl pattern is everything. So thank you so much to Alipearl for sending me this gorgeous wig. I'm absolutely in love, and I cannot wait to take my thumbnail pictures because I know they're going to turn out so bomb. I'm loving this hair right now, and if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.